thing. I haven't opened this one up yet. It's not horrible. Iron is bent. It's been dropped. You can see that too. Wow, that's got compression. It's not that bad. That one's in there. Pretty. Oh, look. It's actually somewhat shiny in there. Ain't that pretty? Look it off. So it usually means there's a couple threads that are poorly formed. Yeah, at some point I have to ask myself, is it worth taking this one off? There's movement. And pin. Now I want to get this out. I think there's movement. Here, we can put a little bit of this in. Hey. It's actually pretty easy. A lot of those are incredibly difficult to get out. There we go. Came loose. This tar, whatever this junk is. There's still some Japanning on there. Whichever way is easier. Here we go. $200 to $300 to $400, and turn it off. Just cleaning it. see how bad it is. Okay, just going in. Tar. It's fun stuff. Let's check that jointability. There and there. Okay. That way. I like it. I think I hit that one dead on. It's a really different. like that. There you have it, plane restoration. Now I have a whole video where I actually talk through this and explain what I'm doing and why I'm making the choices I'm making. I'm really liking how this came out, and it is a fantastic functional plane. And I'm actually going to be sending this to a viewer of the channel who I'm trading another tool for. So thank you for that. I like making odd trades from time to time. And I am really looking forward to sending this off to him. So if you have any questions about this, go check out the other channel, the how-to, Wood by Wright how-to. On that one, I talk through all of the videos as well as explain what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, what I'm thinking, the choices behind it. And so I put a lot more information there. But I do answer questions here. So if you put comments down below with questions, thank you. That actually helps out the channel. Or you can join the group of people who just put comment down below. Really, that does help out the channel. With the algorithm here, it gets us in front of more people, helps us grow, as well as hitting the like, share, subscribing. Thank you. And yeah, the thank you button. As well, if you want to go even farther though, there are names over here. Those are a few of the people on Patreon. Because without patrons, we wouldn't be here. If you would really like to help out this channel and keep us going and allow me to be able to put out a video almost every day, think about becoming a patron on Patreon. Thank you to all of you who are patrons. You are amazing. And honestly, I mean that. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I could say this was just another plain video, but honestly, this one is really sharp.